Hello dear student, welcome to learn chapter number 10, Unitary Method. What is a unitary method? We understand it by using one example. Gopi went to shop to buy bananas. He asked the price for 5 bananas. The shopkeeper replied 20 rupees. Gopi gives 20 rupee note to pay for the bananas. At the same time, Gopi received the call from his mom to buy 3 more bananas. That means गोपी 5 बनानास खरीदने के लिए जाता है एंड वो 5 बनानास के लिए 20 रुपी पे करता है. बट एट दैट टाइम ही रिसीव द कॉल फ्रॉम हिज मदर टू बाय 3 more bananas. Now, how much money Gopi should pay for 8 bananas? That means if 5 bananas cost is 20 rupees, then how much money he pay for 8 bananas? This can be find if we know the cost of 1 banana. That means अगर हमें 1 banana की cost पता है तो हम 8 bananas की cost find कर सकते हैं. For example, if cost of 1 banana is equal to a rupees, then we can just multiply 8 to find the cost of 8 bananas. This method of finding the value of 1 is called unitary method. In solving the problem using unitary method, we follow 4 steps. Identify known and unknown values for the problem. That means problem में unknown and known value को find करना है. For Gopi, known value is cost of 5 bananas and unknown values are cost of 1 banana and cost of 8 bananas. That is Gopi के लिए 5 bananas की value नॉन है एंड 8 बनानास के लिए वैल्यू अननोन है. स्टेप नंबर 2, वर्क आउट मैथमेटिकल एक्सप्रेशन विथ नॉन वैल्यू. इन एग्जाम्पल द मैथमेटिकल एक्सप्रेशन वुड बी कॉस्ट ऑफ 5 बनाना इक्वल टू 20 रुपीज़. इट मीन्स ए प्रॉब्लम के लिए मैथमेटिकली एक्सप्रेशन है कॉस्ट ऑफ 5 बनानास इज इक्वल टू 20 रुपीज़. नेक्स्ट स्टेप नंबर 3, calculate the value of 1 unit. Here you need to divide the total cost by the number of bananas to find the cost of 1 bananas. That means 1 banana की cost find करने के लिए total cost को number of banana से divide करेंगे. Step 4, find out the unknown value. Here cost of 1 banana is unknown value and we get cost of 1 banana is equal to 4. Now we multiply the cost of 1 banana by 8 to get cost of 8 bananas. On multiplication we get cost of 8 bananas is 32. So Gopi needs to pay 32 rupee for 8 bananas. Here we find out cost of 8 banana using unitary method. Now we try to solve activity 1. Question number 1. A bus carries 2457 passengers every day. How many passengers will it carry in a 1 week? That means bus per day 2457 passengers carry करते हैं तो 1 week में कितने पैसेंजर कैरी करेगी? Here we have value of 1 and we have to find value of many. Therefore, we multiply number of passengers and number of days. So, a bus carries 2457 passenger every day. Therefore, the number of passengers carried by bus in a week is equal to 2457 multiplied by 7. On multiplication, we get answer 17,199 passenger. Therefore, bus carries 17,199 passengers in a week. Now we solve question number 2. Asima reads 42 pages of a book in a day. How long will it take her to finish the book that has 1428 pages? That means आशिमा पर डे 42 पेजेस रीड करते हैं, तो 1428 पेजेस को रीड करने के लिए कितने दिन चाहिए? टू फाइंड नंबर ऑफ डेज वी डिवाइड 1428 by 42. So Asima reads 42 pages of a book in one day. Therefore, she will read 1428 pages in 1428 divided by 42 days. For the division, we write table of 42. 42 zeros are 0, 42 ones are 42, 42 twos are 84, 42 threes are 126, 42 fours are 168, and 42 fives are 210, and so on. Now we divide 1428 by 42. Here we take first 3 digit of dividend. Here we observe that 42 threes are 126 and 42 fours are 168, but 168 is greater than 142, therefore we use 42 threes are 126. On subtraction we get answer 16. Now we take 8 here and we get number 168. Now again we use table of 42, and here we observe that 42 fours are 168. On subtraction we get remainder 0. Therefore, she will read 142 pages in 34 days. Now we find question number 3. A dozen books cost rupee 1920. Find the cost of 7 such books. That means अगर 1 डजन बुक की कॉस्ट 1920 है, सो 7 बुक्स की कितनी कॉस्ट होगी? टू फाइंड कॉस्ट ऑफ 7 बुक्स वी फर्स्ट नीड टू फाइंड बुक ऑफ 1 कॉस्ट. So to find the cost of 7 books, we first need to find cost of one book. Therefore, cost of dozen books means 12 books is equal to rupee 1920. Therefore, cost of one book is equal to 1920 by 12, because here we have value for many and we have to find value of 1. Therefore, we divide total cost by number of books. On dividing, we get answer rupee 160. Now we find cost of 7 books. The cost of 7 books is equal to 160 multiplied by 7, because here we have value of 1 and we have to find value of many. Therefore, we multiply. On multiplication, we get answer rupee 1120. Thus, the cost of 7 books is rupee 1120. Next, question number 4. A bag contains 7 kg of wheat flour. How many bags will be required to pack 245 kg of wheat flour? That means one bag में 7 kg wheat flour contain होता है. So 245 kg wheat flour कंटेन करने के लिए, पैक करने के लिए कितनी बैग चाहिए? To find required number of bags, we divide 245 by 7. So, number of bags required to pack 7 kg wheat flour is equal to 1. Therefore, number of bags required to pack 245 kg wheat flour is equal to 245 divided by 7. On dividing, we get answer 35 bags. Thus, 35 bags required to pack 245 kg wheat flour. Here we complete the activity of chapter 10. Thank you all of you.